Right, what I am noticing is a significant increase in my RPM as I get to about 7 volts on the supercapacitor. So my RPM is back up to about 600 RPM, which is actually pretty good. The current output is still 5.48 milliamps. Actually, because what's happening is as the supercapacitors charge up, the current drops down on the output over there, right? And as it drops down, the speed increases on the RPM and compensates, so the current actually continues to go up. So, and the speed, so the speed is increasing, and my current consumption at the moment on my to drive the circuit has dropped now quite a lot to, let's see, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So minus 40, because 40 milliamps is for the meter, the LED meter. So currently I'm drawing 100 and, oh, let's see, well, I've lost count now. So currently the motor's drawing 120 milliamps and the meter's drawing 40. The meter is this thing here. That draws 40 milliamps all the time, no matter what. So we have to subtract that number. So anyway, the voltage on the supercapacitors is coming up, the LED is getting brighter, and the current consumption going into the supercapacitor is still, it's about 5.42 milliamps. And the waveform, I went to record this earlier, but when I take the load off, if I disconnect the load, take this off the supercapacitors, right, a minute, this is the waveform without any load. 21 volts on the yellow channel, cyclic RMS 7 volts, maximum 10.0. The other channel is 21.6 volts, cyclic RMS 7.2, maximum 12.4 volts. So that's the waveform without the load on it. I'll stick the load on while you're looking at that. Right, now the load's back on, you can see that the blue channel collapses a bit more. The peak to peak is actually still 20 volts on the yellow channel. Well, yeah, not bad. Right, and the blue channel has dropped more. So, yeah, the blue channel seems to be taking most of the load actually. I just wonder if I've dropped a lead off here or something. Let me just make sure all my channels are connected. Yellow channel is over here. Am I connected properly? Like I am. Let me just double check. So I want the white wire and the green wire. The white wire and the green wire is basically these two down here, so let's make sure I'm still connected properly. I think I am, yeah, I should be. I can see, yeah, well I will be connected because there's this like dip on the meter. But anyway, the current output is still the same. Yeah, RPM 608. So anyway, just a short update on where we are.